It was a hot summer day. Coo, a thirsty crow, was looking for water everywhere. Finally, he found a pitcher. But to his dismay, there was little water in it. Though the pitcher was high enough and Coo had a narrow neck, still he failed to drink from it. Coo was about to give up when an idea struck him. Picking up some small pebbles lying around, he dropped them into the pitcher one by one. With each pebble, the water rose a little higher until at last it was near enough to the brim. Coo smiled to himself and happily quenched his thirst.